Holy shit, look at that big old falcon. Baby bird, you're gonna love this shit. Now, let's see how we react to my going outside. Whoop. Wow, what a bird. So that's what's out here preying on my creatures. We're definitely watching me and nervous. Yep. Flip that head around here and look, baby. Hi. Holy shit, I can't believe that bird sat there this long. Hello, sweetie. Holy shit, can you believe? Inching forward, I got squirrel on my right, wondering what the hell I'm up to and wondering if I have a peanut. And the bird is just sitting here, watching me slowly inch up. Holy shit, look at that. That is a beauty. I'm pretty amazed. I'm out this far and bird hasn't reacted. Coming to the first step of the big deck. We seem to be now noticing I'm really close, or there's something going on in a different yard, and we're nervous. Now just slowly inching, hardly moving, just a little footstep at a time. This always works. We've definitely taken a good notice of what I'm up to. Hello, I hope you've eaten well. Doesn't the Chinese greeting translate literally to "have you eaten"? Oh my goodness. And then down here in the grass is one of my girls just jumped down, totally oblivious to the situation. And bird still sits, and I'm inching off to my right now. Not getting any closer. This is a really great view. Yep, just inching in. We'll see how far I can get before we take off. We're getting nervous. I'm being watched for real. I wish I had a bird here. Confounded, I got a hose at my feet that's really not helping. Damn, are you gorgeous. Darker than I would have thought. I wonder which type of falcon I have here. Lighter tips, barred tail, dark wings. Could be peregrine. I know there's supposed to be some in the area. Baby bird, you're gonna be so fucking jealous. My baby bird, listen to me. Baby bear. I hear my birds on the roof behind me. My goodness, look at you. Should I get closer? Just a bit. I would say this is about 12 feet. Not nervous at all. Watching me though. Doesn't seem about ready to bolt quite yet. I wonder where the comfort level is. Beautiful bird. Holy shit. Probably 10 feet now. A little bit shaky now that I moved my right foot forward. We've turned to maybe bail out. Look at that. Yeah, that's a Cooper or a peregrine. I'm not going to move any further. He's watching these birds move around behind me. They're on my roof. Beautiful. Hi. Hello, Peep. You have a pretty voice. You are gorgeous. You are gorgeous. What do you see? What's down there? Oh, went for one of the squirrels and missed. Up in the tree. Squirrel is in the neighbor's yard behind the fence. Wow, just freaking wow. All right, baby. You do your thing. I'm going to do my thing. I got places to go, people to see, things to do.